My buddy called me and said he had a leak in his garage, and he realized it was directly beneath his daughter's bathroom. And after some troubleshooting, realized it wasn't caused by the plumbing, because when filling up and draining the bathtub, there was no problem. However, anytime she takes a shower, the problem comes back. So today we're going to reseal this tub and shower with the help of my friends from GE and make sure that this thing is sealed for good. So the first step is to remove the old sealant and get it out of the way. And the easiest way to do that is with a utility knife, a razor blade, scraper, trowel, whatever you got. Now, to me, when he says that the problem only exists when she's taking a shower, that means that the problem is likely outside of the shower. He also suspects she wasn't using the shower curtain properly and water is running onto the floor. So the culprit is probably right here at the front of the tub. But because we're going to reseal this area, we're going to reseal the whole tub just to be sure. This is the most time-consuming and cumbersome part of the whole project, but it's important that you get it nice and clean. And when it's all said and done, it should look something like this. Modern fiberglass builder-grade bathtubs like this are great because they're light and easy to install. They're also extremely flexible, which means they can move around a lot. And that means two things. Number one, you need a sealant that can move with it. And that's why I recommend GE Sealants Supreme Silicone. It's 100% waterproof, 100% silicone, and it retains permanent flexibility regardless of how much the tub moves. And number two, it means that you should fill the bathtub before you go and reseal it. Filling the bathtub with water applies maximum pressure on the joints, and then when you seal it, the sealant can easily contract once the water is out. So while the bathtub is filling, I'm using some painter's tape to create a nice clean line along the front of the tub. That way, if I'm a little bit messy with my install, I'll still have a nice clean line along the front. And then when the tub is full, I'm ready to apply my sealant. The tile work around the tub is actually pretty nice, and they have a nice consistent clean line here where the tub meets the tile. So rather than using a white silicone, I'm going to use the clear silicone because I think it just looks better, and I think that it doesn't catch your eye as much as a white silicone would. They had white sealant in here before, and I could tell that it was a little bit wavy and off, and it just kind of caught your eye, and I think the clear just looks better. Unfortunately, the same can't be said for the tile work on the floor where it meets the tub. It's a little bit wavy, and the width of the grout line varies a bunch. So I am going to use the white silicone at the base of the tub. Just take your time and apply nice, even pressure as you go along the base of the tub, and the tape is there to help you so that you end up with a nice clean line. So once you have the sealant all applied, peel off your tape before it dries, and there you go. You got a freshly resealed bathtub that's sealed for good. Now, I recommend letting the water sit in the bathtub for a couple hours and then letting it drain, and you're good to go. Lastly, don't throw away that half-used bottle of silicone. You can make yourself a quick and easy little cap for it by using a piece of painter's tape and wrapping the end of the tube, and then toss it on your shelf, and it'll be good to go for next time. Grab all my favorite GE Sealant products for your next DIY home repair project on my Amazon storefront at the link down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.